We are so fortunate to have a cooperative agreement with OJJDP and our organization. And our organization is actually the oldest and largest Native youth serving organization in the United States. So we are able to provide technical assistance to anybody who is really trying to engage Native youth voice and really hear what's happening on the grassroots level. We actually have a cohort of Native youth who have been impacted by the juvenile justice system themselves, and they serve as an advisory committee to develop trainings. So everything that we do, between developing pamphlets to resource packets to engaging Native youth themselves, it all comes directly from these 12 youth who never saw themselves as really experts in the fields, but their lived life experience is actually very instrumental in developing these listening sessions. So giving youth and families the opportunity to really give feedback on what's working and what's not working in their systems currently is an amazing thing. So from this localized data, we're actually going to be able to have regional comparisons on what are the strengths and weaknesses and how can we do a better job to serve these Native youth. Native youth want to hear from other Native youth who have gone through similar issues. You can have specialized people in the field, you can have all the data in the world, but when you really get down to it, it's more impactful coming from somebody that has lived the same experience as they have. So we're really excited to partner with OJJDP to provide these peer-to-peer trainings where youth ages 14 to 24 from different tribal communities can speak on how they've been impacted by the juvenile justice system personally, but then lead these Native youth through trauma-informed care trainings to really see that they have a voice, but they are also leaders, no matter what they've been through and no matter what has happened in their past, that it's a change in mindset, that they have a voice and that they can be influential for other Native youth. One thing when you really listen to Native youth is you're actually hearing what is impacting them on the day-to-day and how are they entering the system in the first place. So every year, Unity, the organization I work for, actually develops Native youth top 10 issues that they're facing in their community. Our partnership with OJJDP is phenomenal. They're actually really influential in helping us pull together listening sessions regionally for Native youth. That way that we can have a better partnership, not only between the tribal communities, but the programs that are offered to them, and then the options they have in restorative justice and programs available to them. They are there listening and helping train our Native youth advocates. So it's really a peer-to-peer training in the communities, but they also provide guidance that our communities really need to hear, whether it's how the system is working or really translating what they're experiencing in their everyday lives to what is the resources and how can they go through the different programs to really access the help that's needed.